Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to log out Spotify from other devices. So if you also want to log out Spotify from other devices, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So logging out from other devices in Spotify is not possible through application. For that, you'll have to open the browser. Simply launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar. Simply type in Spotify.com, press enter. Now wait for a while. You can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Spotify. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. So you might be logged in Spotify in other devices that you have no longer access to, or you might be afraid that other people are using your Spotify account. In that case, you might want to log out Spotify from other devices. So doing that is very simple. All you have to do is click on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner. Now here you'll be able to find several options. Account, profile, upgrade to premium, settings, logout. All you have to do is click on the account option that you can see at first. Now you can see over here you'll be redirected to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for managing your subscription, editing your profile, recovering playlists, etc. Simply scroll down. Under security and privacy section, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for change password, manage apps, notification settings, etc. At last, you'll be able to find the option for sign out everywhere. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you sign out of everywhere, it will log you out of Spotify everywhere you're logged in, including the mobile, tablet, web player and desktop apps. This does not include partner devices. Scroll down. Now here you'll be able to find the option for sign out everywhere. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be logged out of your account. So you'll be logged out of all the other devices. Also you'll be logged out of the current device. So that is how you log out Spotify from other devices. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.